Good afternoon. I done a little work on this old 20 in here in the barn. Got the hood off, all one piece. Got the head off. Kinda I soaked oil in here a couple years ago. One of them leaked down. The 3 cylinders are smooth, and this one feels a little rough on the inside. I hadn't seen it yet, but I'll get to that another day. And what else did I do? I got the manifold off, but it's kind of busted. That's no good, but I got extras. Oh, here's something kind of a lot different than that other engine. Water manifold just clean as a pin. And water here in the head is all clean, no rust. Yeah, got a couple sticky valves. I think about 3 sticky valves. None of them's permanently stuck, but they're just sticky. And I don't know, I hadn't looked underneath here yet. Oh, I guess it'll clean up. Picked that off myself today. About all I wanted to do, but I did it. There, somebody put this back together last time. Put never sees on all them things. And when they're not very tight, I got them loose with a 3/8 ratchet. Oh, look at here. This looks a lot better than the other one. Let's see. Crankshaft's nice and clean. I don't know whether you can see that or not. Ooh. Anyhow, I gotta clean them cylinders out and get to work on it. Make the pistons go up and down, and maybe this thing will run eventually. That's all for now. Good morning. It's Sunday morning, about 10 a.m. and we might as well warm the thing up and see what happens. I think I got things out of the way. Gas tanks even had gas in it, so I got it out of the way and put a little piece of tin there in front of the fan belt. Yeah, I don't think the big cast iron radiator will get too hot. And got a fire extinguisher in case I need it. Alright, let's see what happens. Diesel fuel don't burn real quick. This will get it going. Well, that's got it started. We'll see how long it takes. We could just sit here and watch it, but that'd be a waste of battery on the camera, and I'll shut it off, and when it gets burnt down there, I'll turn it back on. We'll see what we got. Did clean out most of the dirt and the mud and the water and the old oil. And that's about the size of it. I hope it works. It's worked twice already this year. Hey, that's a pretty picture. A tractor on fire in a barn. Ought to put that on a video. Oh well. Alright, that's enough for now. Yes, I forgot something. Fire in the hole. This is almost exciting as watching a Ohio State football game. Well, it's been an hour already. Burn up about half of it. Sounds like you can hear it sizzling in there. Well, the heat is penetrating quite a bit. I reached in here and ow, them sleeves are too hot to touch very long. One went dry already. Yeah, I thought I'd show you something just for the fun of it. This welded block. I've got 3 more 20 engines around here that's not stuck. But the reason I'm keeping this one here and trying to get it unstuck, the only reason I got the tractor is because it was busted and welded years ago. If it wouldn't have been busted, my dad wouldn't have bought it out of the junkyard, and if he wouldn't have fixed it, it wouldn't run. And otherwise, it wouldn't have been where it was, and I got it back a couple years ago. Alright, that's all for now. Yeah, it's kind of looking better in there. Yeah, don't look too bad there. Oh, here's a sample of the next step. That might work, maybe. We'll try. Yeah, we'll try this a while. Well, we better change positions. That going down. That must have went down. This can come up. Better push it back down. Alright, that's enough for now. Need some oil on the jack. I'll be back. Yeah, we didn't need any new oil. We just had to rehitch the chain. Let's try some more. Oops. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, that's enough for now. There, I got two of them almost all the way up. Two of them almost all the way down. I think I'll move the jack over to one of these other positions. Maybe put washers and something there to keep that from moving anymore. And push them back down, start loosening them up. I guess fire must have done some good for it. Either that or a great big jack might have done it in the first place, who knows. That's all for now. Well, we'll see whether we can make them two pistons in the middle come back up and the ones on the ends go back down. And I got that piece of angle iron there with some holes in it, so you can watch it move maybe. Hold still. This old Farmall H20's kind of wiggly. Oh well. See what happens. Looks kind of crooked. Come on. That's enough of that for now. let's do something different. I'll get the jack out of the way, the chains, and we'll try it the old-fashioned way. Alright, stop. Alright. The engine's not stuck now, but it's not exactly ready to run. I have to do this a while. Oh, anyhow, gotta do that a while, and probably need to, well, I know, have to get cylinder hone or sandpaper or emery cloth or pocket knife or putty knife or something. Clean the cylinders a little bit. And I don't know, probably another, maybe if I go ahead and get some dinner and back out, might be able to turn this over by hand crank all the way around by dark maybe. I wonder if I'll have to pull that sleeve and clean it up, reset it, or whether that's, oh, that's not, I don't know, we'll see. See what somebody says whether the heck you ought to or not. Alright, that's enough for now.